Hey guys, welcome to Macintosh Weekly, and today this video is about macOS Sequoia 15.2 Beta 3 update. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. And now let's begin. A new beta for macOS Sequoia 15.2 is rolling out now to developers. Beta 3 brings the latest revisions and improvements to Mac users ahead of the public 15.2 launch next month. To update your Mac to macOS Sequoia 15.2 Beta 3, open System Settings, then go to the Software Update section. Here you can see the update is available for my device. This macOS Sequoia 15.2 Beta 3 update size is around 3.17 gigabytes for my device. Click on Update Now, and then agree to the SLA to begin the update on your device, and enter the password when prompted. And as you can see, the device has been successfully updated to macOS Sequoia 15.2 Beta 3, and the build number is 24C5079E. Now talking about the new features introduced in this build, we haven't been able to spot any of the changes made to this build. Talking about the macOS Sequoia 15.2 Beta 3 release notes, the macOS 15.2 SDK provides support to develop apps for Mac computers running Sequoia 15.2 Beta 3. The SDK comes bundled with Xcode 16.2, available from the Mac App Store. Regarding ActivityKit resolved issues, fixed, resolved an issue where iPhone and iPad apps on Apple Silicon Macs quit unexpectedly if ActivityKit is linked. Regarding authentication services resolved issues, fixed, iPhone and iPad apps on Apple Silicon Macs might quit unexpectedly if AS Authorization Controller perform autofill assisted requests is invoked. Regarding ChatGPT integration known issues, for devices with MDM profiles, users with anonymous restrictions are unable to sign out. Workaround: use the ChatGPT restriction instead of the ChatGPT anonymous only restriction. Regarding its resolved issues, fixed, image and document Q&A requests to ChatGPT via Siri might fail if the query doesn't specify photo or document. Regarding NS Writing Tools Coordinator known issues, the object does not support multiple NS Writing Tools Coordinator context elements and supports only the first element used. NS Writing Tools Coordinator supports synchronous NS Writing Tools Coordinator.delegate interfaces, expecting the completion handler to be invoked without escaping the delegate methods. Regarding its resolved issues, fixed, NS Writing Tools Coordinator ignores the returned attributed string from Writing Tools Coordinator, replace range in context, proposed text, reason, animation parameters, completion. Resolved an issue to properly name NS Writing Tools Coordinator related enums inside an NS Writing Tools Coordinator extension in Swift style. Text update reason, state, text replacement reason, context scope, and text animation. Regarding SwiftUI new features, for macOS apps linked against macOS 15.2 SDK, the on-scroll geometry change for of action modifier can be used with list to post geometry changes for the list-owned scroll view. Regarding its resolved issues fixed, compiling in the Swift 6 language mode might cause an @entry error due to static property default value is not concurrency safe because non-sendable type. Resolved an issue to improve performance and CPU usage when scrolling scroll views and lists. Fixed, views won't accept dropped directories if utype.directory or utype.file URL are not in the list of accepted content types for drop. Regarding Screen Capture Kit new features, Screen Capture Kit is available for Catalyst applications. Developers must use the macOS 15.2 SDK or later. The system picking experience now surfaces additional metadata for user-selected content, including details on the display, application, and window. Regarding virtualization known issues, installation of macOS Sequoia 15.2 Beta in VMs is not available. Regarding WidgetKit, resolved issues fixed. iPhone and iPad apps on Apple Silicon Macs quit unexpectedly if Live Activities API and WidgetKit are linked. So that was all about this build. The rest of the build seems identical. If you want to know more, check out Apple's official documentation for macOS Sequoia 15.2 Beta release notes. So that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day ahead.